Hello, Quizmasters. Welcome back to Mind Blitz. Today there is a challenge for you. Will you be able to identify these flags? Are you ready? Let's get started. Subscribe for more fun quiz videos like this. Let's kick things off with an easy one. That was USA. Did you get the first one right? This one should be super familiar. It's India. That was too easy, right? Can you recognize this famous flag? That's the United Kingdom. Look closely at this leaf. It's Canada. Down Under. Do you know this one? Australia. You got it? Simple colors, but can you guess it? Germany. Hope you didn't miss that. This one is all about style. France. A clean and simple design. Japan. Easy, right? Red and stars. I think fast. China. Bright and colorful. Brazil. Nice guess. 3 colors, but which country? Italy. Deliciously easy. Can you spot this European flag? Spain. Well done. Green, white, red. Tricky. Mexico. Got it? Horizontal stripes again. Russia. Easy one. A very colorful flag. South Africa. Now things get interesting. Argentina still doing good? Looks simple, but be careful. Netherlands. Did it confuse you? Blue and yellow combo. Sweden. Nice if you got it. A unique square flag. Switzerland. Not many get this fast. Red and white, but which one? Turkey. Good eye. Symbols matter here. South Korea. Tricky one. Arabic text. Recognize it? Saudi Arabia, impressive. Think about history. Egypt. Did you guess right? Multiple stripes. Thailand, that was tricky. Sun and stars. Philippines, nice work. Looks simple but confusing. Poland, many get this wrong. Cross design again. Norway, did you mix it up? Blue cross, Mike, careful. Finland, that was close. Stripes and a cross. Greece, good if you got it. Red over white. Indonesia, that one was sneaky. Now we enter the hard zone. Hungary, respect if you got it. This one confuses many. Czech Republic, that was tough. Very similar flags ahead. Slovakia, did you guess it? Don't get tricked now. Slovenia, super tricky. Simple but deceptive. Peru, not as easy as it looks. Stars and stripes combo. Malaysia, that was hard. Red circle, but not Japan. Bangladesh, gotcha. Detailed design alert. Sri Lanka, only legends know this. Green star in the center.
It's time to pick your next challenge, and make sure to like and subscribe.